over Christianity?
This girl is literally shocked by AI's answer when she asked Islam or Christianity.
Do you think God is real?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think Jesus is a god or a prophet?
Prophet.
Do you think Jesus and Muhammad are worshipping the same God?
Yes.
Do you think that all the prophets are worshipping the same God?
Yes.
Do you think the Bible is the word of God?
Partly.
What about the Quran? Do you think the Quran is the word of God?
Yes.
So, does this mean you would pick Islam over Christianity?
Yes.
What about Islam over Judaism?
Islam.
What about Islam over Buddhism?
Islam.
What about Hinduism?
Islam.
So ChatGPT, if you were a human, would you take the Shahada?
Yes.
My mind is actually blown right now. Guys, what should I do?